Many wooden creations offer a unique blend of artistry and functionality, making them appealing in today's market. As woodworking enthusiasts embark on their journey, they discover that their passion can be transformed into a thriving business. By focusing on craftsmanship and innovative design, artisans can create products that resonate with consumers and generate income. Understanding the woodworking landscape. Before diving into crafting, it's crucial to understand the woodworking landscape. This involves familiarizing oneself with various wood types, tools, and techniques. Knowledge of hardwoods and softwoods, for instance, can inform decisions about material selection based on durability, aesthetics, and cost. This foundational understanding helps artisans create products that meet consumer expectations. Mastering essential crafting techniques. Crafting many wooden items requires mastering essential woodworking techniques. Techniques such as joinery, sanding, and finishing are vital in ensuring high-quality results. By honing these skills, artisans can produce items that not only look good, but also stand the test of time. Continuous practice and learning are key to becoming proficient in the craft. The role of design in woodworking. Design plays a pivotal role in the success of many wooden creations. Artisans should focus on creating aesthetically pleasing and functional designs that appeal to their target market. Utilizing sketching or digital design tools can help visualize concepts before production. Balancing creativity with practicality ensures that items are both beautiful and useful. Emphasizing sustainability. Sustainability has become a significant consideration in woodworking. By sourcing reclaimed wood or using eco-friendly materials, artisans can attract environmentally conscious consumers. Sustainable practices not only enhance the appeal of products, but also contribute positively to the environment. Artisans who prioritize sustainability can differentiate themselves in a competitive market. Finishing techniques for professional appeal. Finishing techniques are essential in woodworking, as they enhance the final appearance and durability of products. Understanding how different finishes interact with various wood types can help artisans achieve the desired effect. A well-executed finish can elevate a product, making it more attractive to potential buyers and justifying a higher price point. Quality control and consistency. Maintaining high standards through quality control is vital for any woodworking business. Implementing a systematic approach to inspecting items ensures that only the best products reach customers. Consistency in quality builds trust and encourages repeat business, which is essential for long-term success. Marketing your wooden creations. Effective marketing strategies are crucial for promoting many wooden creations. Utilizing social media platforms, creating a professional website, and participating in local craft fairs can help artisans showcase their work. Engaging storytelling about the crafting process and the inspiration behind each piece can resonate with consumers, enhancing their connection to the products.